variety of mediums that you would like to use to decorate your mask. This could include paint, sequins, lace, or anything else that you can find. Begin by building up layers of colour onto the mask. This will create a base for everything else. Remember, you don't just have to use paintbrushes. Experiment with other tools such as cotton buds and stamps. Continue to add other textures and decorations to your mask. There is no right or wrong answer, so be as creative as you would like. Leave your mask to dry overnight.